Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Smart Tasks, Lists Made Easy app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Smart Tasks is a simple, minimal, and easy-to-use to-do list app designed to help users organize daily tasks, reminders, and routines efficiently. Built with a clean interface, the app focuses on making list building fast and distraction-free. It allows you to create categorized lists, set reminders, use color-coded labels, and even add tasks quickly through gestures. It's available on iOS and works seamlessly with widgets and device syncing for smooth planning across Apple devices. The app's main feature is its clean task organization system. You can create lists for work, personal life, shopping, routines, or anything you need, and add reminders to ensure nothing is missed. Smart Tasks also offers home screen widgets, letting you view or add tasks instantly without opening the app. Its minimal design makes it ideal for users who want a lightweight productivity tool rather than a complex project manager. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simplicity, fast task entry, and visually clean layout. The widgets and gesture-based controls make it easy to check off tasks throughout the day. It's especially helpful for students, professionals, and anyone managing daily chores or routines. The syncing across devices helps maintain continuity and keeps your lists accessible anywhere. However, there are some drawbacks. The app is very minimal, so it lacks advanced features like team collaboration, deep project management, or detailed scheduling tools. Some users also note that certain features may require in-app purchases. In addition, it is limited to the Apple ecosystem, which means it may not be suitable for multi-platform users. In summary, the Smart Tasks app may be worth using if you want a clean, fast, and easy-to-use to-do list organizer with simple reminders and efficient task management. However, if you need advanced productivity tools, cross-platform support, or collaboration features, it might not be the ideal choice for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.